Anna Stratton from New Zealand, world renowned as a leader in women's fashion. Somebody I had the privilege and pleasure to meet in New Zealand and actually explore some projects with her. She not only came to our Entrepreneur X Factor and was a wonderful presenter, so she has an X factor in her ability to be present. She has an X factor in her clarity and her focus. She's not only experienced with more than 21 years in the fashion industry, which as you would know is a very volatile, very emotional market, and she's been able to go through thick and thin and come up ahead by building a phenomenal team, by being focused on her willingness to change and move and even lead the fashion industry. One of the things I actually found amazing about Anna is when we were sitting with her is just so easy to ask a question, get an answer, and move forward. In fact, the last time I met her, she was sharing her latest foundational work, which was through a charity she started called RAW, which is called Reclaim Another Women. And we were sitting and she was sharing her vision, which was super clear about experienced business women supporting and helping women from lower social economics, perhaps in the jails, perhaps requiring some skills development, and providing a 5-year mentoring commitment to them. And Mike Hancock and myself were so inspired by her, we immediately asked her, would she like to be part of the launch, the soft launch of Entrepreneur X Factor in Auckland, which she immediately said yes. We checked our schedules, we put together a date, we've got a band together, and we did the soft launch. It was really amazing because Anna was able to bring some phenomenal young talent, some singers who were part of the event to raise some money for awareness for Reclaim Another Woman. And I think that's one of the things about X Factor with Anna is that she asks great questions, she gets clarity, and then she has this ability to move forward and get things done. She's written a book. Again, the funny thing or the ironic thing is the name of her book is Rock the Boat, which again is aligned a little bit with Rock Your Life, Rock Your Business. And so there's a connection there with Anna Stratton from Anna Stratton Fashion that is phenomenal. Look forward to doing more work with her. Her industry leadership, her ability to really discern the points of difference, and her heart. I think that's where she is these days, is that maybe in the past it was very combative in her industry, and it probably still is, yet today when I experience her, she's really leading with looking for ways to make a difference. As her X Factor, phenomenal clarity, phenomenal unique abilities, and ability to ask great questions, and she was just and is such a woman of presence. Thank you very much, Anna Stratton, Entrepreneur X Factor from New Zealand.